Welcome to The Spot, 933 Seymour Street, located in the heart of downtown Vancouver. I'm standing on one of the many amenities in the building, a spectacular rooftop deck with amazing 360-degree views of the city. Let's take a tour of this exquisitely renovated loft, and I'll catch up with you at the end.
People come from all over the world to see what it's like living in downtown Vancouver. Unit 404 in The Spot is your chance to experience life in this upbeat metropolis. The main living space in this home benefits from soaring 15-foot ceilings and an open layout. Recently updated, your kitchen features stainless steel appliances, a gas range, acrylic countertops, bar seating at the counter, and an undermount sink and under-cabinet lighting. In the living room, you can have friends over or relax on your own against a beautiful backdrop of floor-to-ceiling windows, with dazzling city lights behind. Completing the main level is a full bathroom just off of the entryway. Come up the stairs to your loft bedroom, which can also see the city lights through the windows, and which has a walk-in closet, as well as your in-suite washer and dryer. Amenities for The Spot include a fitness room, a meeting room, a full kitchen with eating area or lounge, an outdoor patio with barbecues, and a breathtaking rooftop deck where you can bask in a warm summer evening under the lights and stars of the Vancouver sky. Located right in the heart of downtown Vancouver, you'll be surrounded by all of the features that make this one of the most sought-after cities in the world. The Vancouver Convention Centre, Olympic Cauldron, marinas, and seawall all attract locals and visitors throughout the year, who stop for a coffee or lunch break against a stunning West Coast backdrop. Just a few steps from the waterfront, you're immersed in the world-class shopping, restaurants, and entertainment that this metropolitan city centre is known for, along streets like Robson, Seymour, and Granville. Nights are lit by towers of glass, theatres like the Orpheum and Commodore Ballroom, and BC Place Stadium and Rogers Arena. For quieter evenings, you can lose yourself in the sprawling green space of Stanley Park or one of several beaches along English Bay.
I hope you enjoyed the tour. Feel free to call me anytime to book your own personal showing.